OpenAI just released a new pricing type. They have introduced like a pro plan where you will get unlimited access to GPT-4 O1, O1 Mini, and GPT-4 O, and it only cost around $200. That means a lot of us cannot afford that. The other change they've made is just removed the preview and made like O1 we get it for $20 per month. So I know that most of you cannot afford to pay like $20 per month. It's kind of if you are actually not making money with it. If you are looking for like a cheaper alternative, I've been using this for a while. As you can see with the chats that I am doing, this is a good alternative that I found, which is called DeepSeek. You can get the link from the description. This is free to use. You get 50 credits every day if you like the deep think mode, which is equivalent to the open previous thinking mode. So what it means, like it will think about the question. So I don't know any other alternative that's as good as this one, and that is comparative to the open model, and also it's absolutely free, and you can also upload up like 100 MB files, and that's also available. But there are certain drawbacks for this. It don't have access to internet, even though it takes like 50 MB 100 MB file. So for example, if I upload like this document, which is, as you can see, it's parsing the information. Can you describe what's in this document? As you can see that length limit reached. It only took the 18% of what's in the file. And if you look at the file, this is the file. This file is around 8 MB, and it can take up to 100 MB. So there is a limited context window. And if we when we get like 10 to 20 messages, it will start forgetting, and it will ask us to create like a new chat by clicking on this button. So as you can see, it always thinks, and if you don't want to really think, then we can toggle this button off. Then it will function like a normal chat. For example, which came first, egg or chicken? So if I just enter, as you can see, it's not thinking right now. So and the thinking part is also really fast. You get it between like 5 to 10 seconds time, the answer. And in the essence, biological summary, the egg came first. Let's ask the same question, because let's see if when it thinks, if it changes the answer. So I always wanted to know this one. Once now we have AI that knows everything, probably it can get the answer. It's thinking a lot, as you can see. Questions maybe, so it's taking different approaches. It's thinking through it, and that's also a good thing. Like we can see the thought process behind the answer. So this one all finished with the answer. The egg came first. So yeah, I just want to like give you like an overview, like this exists, and this is a good contender. I have tried it with certain questions, like for example, if I want to show you like why this is good, let me just ask this question, which is larger. I asked it like which one of this is larger, like 9.9 or 9.11, and it correctly answered like is 9.9 is larger than 9.11. But if I ask the same question, which to like for example plot sonnet 3.5, it gets that wrong, to my surprise. Every other model, every top model gets this right, but let me just ask this question. As you can see, I have selected plot 3 sonnet, which is larger, and let's see if it can get the answer correct this time. So yeah, it's getting this because 9.11 is larger than that. I don't know what happened with that. If this it's like a new model, I think this is going to take up a lot of Claude's market share. Really good. Amazon's AI, it has got like 300k context window. So if you take a look at the Claude models, as you can see, it's only having 200k context window, but the Nova has like vision, and it like 300k context window. That really helpful. If I ask this question to Nova, Even Nova, the latest model, can answer it correctly. So as you can see, the final answer, because it gets that it's just 9, it's 9-0. Yeah, that's all I wanted to share in this video. Don't worry about paying for like a reasoning model like O1, but you can, yeah, get more than ample questions here, along with its limitation, like the context. If you want like reason through like a complicated problem, and if you don't have any other options, definitely this is a good choice. I hope this was helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, some tips and tricks about AI, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.